Hey everyone, if BlueStacks is not opening on your PC, don't worry. In this full 2026 guide, I'll show you several fixes that can help solve startup problems, crashes, freezing, or loading issues step by step. First, restart your computer and try opening BlueStacks again. Yeah, temporary system glitches or background processes can sometimes prevent the emulator from launching properly. Next, right-click the BlueStacks shortcut and select Run as administrator. This gives the emulator full system permissions and may fix startup errors. If BlueStacks still won't open the BlueStacks multi-instance manager and switch the graphics renderer between DirectX and OpenGL mode. You can also clear temporary files from Windows to improve compatibility and remove corrupted cache files that may cause startup problems. If nothing works, the best solution may be reinstalling BlueStacks completely. Download the latest version from the official website and perform a clean installation. And that's basically how to fix BlueStacks not opening in 2026. After trying these solutions, the emulator should launch normally again on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.